Yes, sir.
Good.
So this example 5 is another chapter.
Example 5 is Python chapter. We
So
practiced parallel lines and triangle inequality in the last class, which you missed.
So do we have to assume fastest way to get back, or can we assume the same way?
Fastest. How far means the fastest, basically the shortest. Zapman camera on. Open.
अब सर कहते हैं
Yes, Tanisha. I will probably say कि camera on करो. That's the rule of the class. Unless you have some emergency. Like it seems you were having some emergency.
Sir, I'm not getting it. So I'm not getting the square root of the answer. Sir, I'm not able to get the square root of the answer.
So a man goes 24 meters due east. So due east is this 24. Then 10 meters due north. Due north is this 10. How far is he from the starting point means this distance. So we will do c square is equal to 24 square plus 10 square. So c square will be equal to 576 plus 100. So c square will be equal to how much? 676. Now guys, let's say आपको square root नहीं पता ये किसकी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? There is a method. We do its prime factorization. There is a method to find the square root. So first 2, 3, 3 and 8. Then I will do it 2 again, 1, 6 and 9. Now we know that 169 is a square of 13. 13 13s are 169. So guys, how do we find the square roots? From every pair, we take one factor out. From every pair of 2, we take one factor out. And then we multiply them. So c square is basically equal to 26 into 26. C is equal to 26 centimeters. That's meters. That's the way to find out the square root. All right. तो अब हैकर, अव्यान, कैंडी, शिनचैन, मिकी माउस समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
So we will do a full chapter on this concept. Don't worry. That is the direction sense chapter. Sixth question try karo. After 1 minute, I will show you its diagram. Tani Bani, don't fight with anyone guys. बेटा अगर कुछ इमरजेंसी है, आप कैमरा ऑफ ऑन नहीं रख सकते, मुझे बता दो. कि आपको लोग परेशान कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ है तानी बानी?
No, sir, I was closing the door.
Okay. If someone troubles you, you can let me know, Tani Bani. We have blessings of goddess. चैटी बेटा, आप अपना एक हैंड टॉय रख लो ना अपने पास, आप खेलते जाना उसके साथ, क्लास करते जाना, कितना इजी हो जाएगा।
Don't. What dog eating? Mom is not checking.
How to solve this question?
Hello guys, I am explaining the diagram. One pole is 9 and the other is 14. If the distance between their tops is 12, ये diagram है, and you
What
have
are
to,
their feet?
नहीं, if the distance between their feet is 12, so this is given to us, this is 12, and you have to find the distance between their tops. You have to find the shaded line, this one. This needs to be found. Okay, all our dimensions are in meters. This is the diagram. So since you
Then
guys
I
have not figured
understood.
it out, I will tell you there is a construction that we need to do.
I understood.
This is the construction that we need to do, the green one. Mr. Ba, can you lower down the camera so that I can see your, at least your beautiful eyes and nose and a little bit more part of your face? Arnav, can you lower down your camera? Adrit, can you sit properly into the class?
Hold on.
So this also will be 12. So how much will be this? If I cut 9 from here, this also will be 9. I will be getting 5. So then I can apply c square is equal to, in this triangle, let me call it ABC. So I can apply Pythagoras in the triangle ABC. C square will be equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So C square will be equal to 144 plus 25. So C square will be equal to 169. So C will be equal to 13 because 169 is square of 13. So Shinchan, Chatty, Hacker, Candy, Tani Bani, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood, guys? Zapman, आपको समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Sir, I cannot understand.
हाँ बेटा, क्या समझ नहीं आया?
So the Pythagoras theorem.
पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, ये आपको समझ आया? ये 12 होगा और ये 5 होगा।
Yes, sir.
ये समझ आया that this is the hypotenuse opposite to the right angle.
Yes, sir.
This is the hypotenuse opposite to the right angle. Did you by chance miss any class, Saturday's one?
Yes, sir.
Did you go
Sir,
through the
but
recording?
yes, sir.
You went through the recording? Then
No, sir, I think I went to half of it.
that is why you are not able to understand.
Okay, sir.
So this is 12, this is 5, this is the hypotenuse. hypotenuse को हम unmute करो बेटा. When you ask a doubt, you should be on unmute. That's the rule. So let me call the hypotenuse as C. So C square, which is the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So C square will be equal to 12 square plus 5 square, because this is the hypotenuse, this is the square of hypotenuse is equal to 12 square, the sum of the squares of the other two sides. ये है Pythagoras theorem. 12 square will be 144, 25 square will be 25. So C square will be 169. Now 169 is square of 13. So C will be 13.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Others can do the seventh question. I have explained to you in short, but you will have to go complete the recording.
I didn't understand this question exactly.
Same, sir.
A tree is broken at a height of 6 centimeter from the ground. एक ट्री है, वो 6 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड से ब्रेक हो जाता है, यहाँ से ब्रेक हो जाता है बिकॉज उसके ऊपर यूआई ने स्कूटर बैंग कर दिया था उस ट्री के ऊपर. इट ब्रेक्स डाउन एंड इट्स टॉप टचेस एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ, जो उसका टॉप है ट्री का, वो कहाँ पे टच कर रहा है ब्रेक होने के बाद? 8 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री. 8 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री. तो ये बेस है, यहां से 8 मीटर पे टच कर रहा है. फाइंड द ओरिजिनल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. हमें हाइट निकालनी है ट्री की. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
This is the tree. Let me make it in brown color. Otherwise, you I will say that which tree is in red in color like this. I don't want to hear such things. All right, let's see. So let this be C. C square will be equal to 6 square plus 8 square. So C square will be equal to 36 plus 64. So that means C square will be equal to 100. C will be equal to 10 meters. So that means C is equal to 10 meters. The original height of the tree will be 10 plus 6. That will give me 16 meters. तो गाय, गॉडेस, कैंडी, तानी बानी समझ आया?
Sir, I was a
कैंडी समझ आ गया? कैंडी एंड काऊ.
yes, sir.
कैंडी बेटा, what has happened? Why are you so sounding so low? What's the problem?
Well, nothing.
Is something bothering you?
No.
You can let me know. So if Avyan or Mr. Ba bothers you or Hacker bothers you, you can let me know. Hacker,
Yes, sir.
are you bothering her?
No, sir.
All right. Let's do the question. Okay, we have not done these questions, correct? Chalo guys. Let's do these 5 questions. All 5 questions in one message.
Sir, I forgot what is median.
Because you were absent in the Sundays class.
Dad, you don't know what a median is.
Because you joined late in the Sundays class, Abyan.
So 5 minutes later. Sir, is it something that divides the triangle into half?
So median is a line segment from a vertex to the opposite side to the midpoint of the opposite side. This is a median. All right.
And sir, in an
Sec-
equilateral triangle, the median and the altitude are same.
yes. And median divides the triangle into two equal areas, two triangles of equal areas also. So guys, all 5 answers should be sent in one message only.
The median can be drawn from only a vertex.
Yes.
So I do not understand what the 5th question means.
Beta, you can send whatever you understand. पानी पानी कैंडी टाइम अब जितने हुए उतने सेंड कर दो. The first one, Chatty. You don't know what's an isosceles triangle which has two sides equal. Isosceles triangle में both two sides are equal and the base angles are equal like this. Chatty, you don't know what is an, and Mickey Mouse आपको नहीं पता what is an isosceles triangle?
Sir, पता है.
Chatty, what about you?
Sir, I forgot.
Now do you remember?
Yes.
Now this is an exterior angle. Candy, what is the exterior angle theorem that we did?
I don't remember the
Exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Do you remember now?
Yes, sir.
So this is exterior angle. अगर किसी भी triangle में से एक angle को हम extend कर देंगे एक side को तो exterior angle form होता है. It is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So 65 plus 45 will be what?
109.
110.
110.
Next, if XU is the median in the triangle, XYZ is the triangle, and XU is the median, then YU equal to UZ. ठीक है, because it's the median, it divides the opposite side into two equal parts. Candy, आप absent थे and तनायशा भी absent थी. अव्यान समझ आ गया? Avyan and Hacker
Yes, sir.
and Mickey House.
Yes, sir.
Next, how many medians can be drawn in a triangle? There can be 3 medians that can be drawn, one from each vertex. And from Z also. Next, exterior angle of a triangle is greater than, because greater होगा तभी तो उन दोनों के सम के इक्वल होगा. All right, याद आ गया properties guys?
Sir, I exactly did not understand the fifth question.
Fifth
What
question में
is
बेटा ये 110 है, exterior angle है. Isn't it greater than both the interior angles?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, that's the fifth question. Question number 1. Question number 2. And question number 3. That's it for now. So what's taking us so long, kids? Let's solve. So guys, what I want to tell you is that suppose 3, 4, 5, and then we have 8, 6, 10, and then we have 12 and what? We have 12 and 5 and 13, and then we have 24 and 10 and 26. So these are some of the popular Pythagorean triplets. तो मतलब अगर आपको दो पता हो तो थर्ड बहुत इजीली निकल आएगा. और यू कैन कैलकुलेट एक दो और भी हैं. आई कैन शेयर द लिस्ट इफ यू वांट. ये इसी से रिलेटेड ही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. So for Olympiad, you should be quick enough to identify them. For now, I will solve the question. 25 square is 625 minus 25 4 square is 576. That will give me a square because c square, this is greatest. So basically 625 is equal to, that is c square, a square plus 576. So a square will be equal to 625 minus 576. So a square will be equal to 49 and a will be equal to 7. Second question and third question, everyone got it correct. So hopefully we have understood everyone. Yes, guys.
Sir,
तो
A is equal to 7 centimeters.
यस. तो इसको भी मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ 7 और 24 और 25. ये कुछ पॉपुलर पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स हैं. तो गाइस सॉल्व द 24, 4th and 5th.
Uh, 2 minutes.
Zapman, how much will be x?
So the answer will be D part. And the last question, I'm finding out the square root.
So I am asking how much will be x first of all.
Uh, 35, 65.
What's the reason?
Z will be 35. Because the
What's the
sum of
reason
all
for
are,
x? What's the reason for x being 65?
angle T and D will be equal because the lines are parallel, and then
Beta t and b will be equal. What about a and x? Why x is 65? Chatty, can you give me the reason why x is 65?
because
Because
I don't know.
the sum of all angles is 180 and
nahi
80
beta.
plus 30.
nahi beta, I'm asking why this is 65 because this is 65 and this is 65 because ये केवल उन्होंने टिल्ट कर दिया है. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था, जब भी पैरालाइंस देखें उनको बोल्ड इमेजिन करो. बोल्ड इमेजिन करो फिर ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. अब क्या रीजन है बताओ. चैटी अनम्यूट रखो बेटा. व्हेन आई एम आस्क्ड अ क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड कीप ऑन अनम्यूट. व्हाई इट इज 65? टेल मी Zapman and Chetty. What's the reason?
But I forgot the term for it.
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. देखो दोनों ऊपर है, दोनों ही इस साइड में है. Same side of the transversal. So they are corresponding. Corresponding. Next one, base and perpendicular of a right triangle are 9 and 12. तो perpendicular को पहले बेस को हम 9 लेते हैं, परपेंडिकुलर को 12 लेते हैं। अगेन ये भी एक बहुत कॉमन पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट है, 144 प्लस 81, so that gives you 225. So 12, 9, 15 is also a very popular Pythagorean triplet. So this will be 15 because 225 is square of 15. Avyan, Candyman understood?
Yes, sir.
Candyman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, मैंने इन चैप्टर्स का आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया है. रेस्ट इज प्रैक्टिस, वी विल डू ग्रेजुअली. अभी के लिए वी विल डू व्हाट, वी विल डू डायरेक्शन सेंस फ्रॉम रीजनिंग, या फिर आज ही प्रैक्टिस कर लें. वी शुड डू डायरेक्शन सेंस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. आई थिंक आज प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं, डायरेक्शन सेंस नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. दैट वुड बी बेटर. I'll make you practice a little bit from the prep guide. Question number 1, question number 9, question number 2. So those kids who were absent in the previous class might not be able to do question 2. So this is about triangle inequality. Triangle inequality states that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. मैं आपको लिख देता हूँ. Sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. ये हमने संडे की क्लास को किया था.
Sir, I do not understand what is happening in the 9th question.
Even I can't understand why everyone is getting it wrong.
Sir, I got it correct.
So guys, let's see. This is exterior angle. So 120 is equal to 3x. So 2x plus x is equal to 120. अच्छा, ये सभी का करेक्ट है. x is equal to 40. नाउ पहले मैं 9 ही देखता हूँ गाइस. 48 plus 42 is 90. So this angle will be 90. Do we agree? Now the hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle, which is BC. तो BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम था? क्यों सबका गलत हो गया भाई? Tell me, Mr. Then next, if the two sides of a triangle are 5 and 7, so the third side has to be what? Lesser than 12, because तभी तो 5 plus 7 12 होगा. It has to be lesser than 12. Then अगर it has to be greater than 2, why? Because 2 plus 5 7 होता है. So it has to be greater than 2 and lesser than 7. That is why we did similar questions in the class also. So Mr. Ba wasn't there. So Mickey Mouse, Shinchan, Goddess, understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
So guys, let's do the next question. These two.
So I don't understand the third question.
Mr. Cow, you got both questions wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So how much more time, hacker, UI, Candy?
Sir, I've sent.
They're so easy questions.
Chalo guys, let's see. So you can find this angle is equal to 62 because it's a linear pair. This angle is equal to 23. What's the reason? Again, the linear pair. Then x will be equal to 180 minus 62 plus 23. So 180 minus 85, that is equal to 95. तो कैंडीमैन चैटी काऊ समझ आ गया? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now let's see the first question. This is 3q and this is 2q. And when we have q. In a triangle, there are three angles, P, Q, and R. So P is 3q, Q is just Q only, and R is 2q. Their total is what? 180 degrees. So 6q is equal to 180 degrees. So that means q is equal to 180 divided by 6, that is equal to 30. So then we have what? We have to find r. R is 2q. So 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 degrees. So do we understand cow, goddess, Shinchan, and Avyan?
Yes, sir.
Do the fourth question and the 11th question. Then next question. This is 50, the lines are parallel. So Chatty and Candy, how much will be this angle?
50
What is the reason?
because the parallel angle.
सर एंगल्स का नाम क्या होता है, मुझे ये पूछना है. पैरेलल तो है, दैट आई नो. चैटी आप बताओ बेटा, बालू के साथ खेलना बंद करो और आंसर दो.
Sir,
मम्मा को बोलो सॉफ्ट ऑयल ला दे, उसकी वजह से कर लिया. यस.
I forgot the term for it.
अभी तो मैंने बताई थी करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. दोनों नीचे नीचे हैं पैरेलल लाइंस के. जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू. And ACB will be how much? 150. Total is 180, so it will be 30. So ECD 50 minus 30 will be 20 degrees. Understood? Tani Pani, Candy, Chatty.
Yes.
Fifth and 12th. So the first one, right angle triangle can be isosceles. Yes, it can be isosceles because the other two sides can be equal. If this is 90, this two can be equal. Then this will also become 45 and this will also become 45. So this is a
By
triangle
mistake,
must have
we
at least
typed the wrong thing.
angles.
It is D.
Median divides a triangle into two equal parts. This is also true and this is false because होते हैं triangles जिसमें सारे angles acute होते हैं. This x is also 70. So Chatty will tell me the reason. नहीं. कैंडी का गलत है, तो कैंडी एंड चैटी, रीजन बताओ, y
But
एक्सिस
I
70।
got this one correct. I got the
Sir, I
first
also
one
got
wrong.
it correct.
ओके, तो चैटी आप बताओ, फिर भी मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Sir,
चैटी
because angle A, B, and E, sir, because they all lie on the straight line, so there's
नो
only
बेटा,
one.
नो, बिकॉज व्हाट्स द नेम? तानी बानी कैंडी, व्हाट्स द नेम?
Sir,
uy।
Alternate.
नो बेटा, नो, alternate interior
The
parallel
vertical
angles,
vertically
opposite
opposite
vertically
angles.
opposite angles. Then you can do the maths and find y. That's all for today. Bye bye. Good night. Enjoy. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.